Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. Today we are going to discuss here about testosterone physiology. Testosterone secreted by Leydig cells. Remember, so many times in exam they ask testosterone secreted by. Answer is Leydig cell. A small contribution to male androgen from adrenal cortex. Leydig cells have receptors for LH and secreted androgen, example testosterone, androstenedione, dihydroepiandrotestosterone, DHEA, dihydrotestosterone we can say. Now dihydrotestosterone is what I'm going to explain here. This is testosterone. It converts into DHT, dihydrotestosterone, in presence of enzyme 5-alpha reductase. 5-alpha reductase. This testosterone convert into DHT. This DHT responsible for hair growth of our genitalia, chest, everywhere. But this DHT causes hair fall. That's why we like to give DHT blockers also for hair. Now, 5-alpha reductase causes reduction or breakage of C4-C5 double bond with the help of NADH as a cofactor. Many testosterone effects mediated by DHT. For example, I already explained chest hair, genital hair is called due to DHT, but hair fall and lack of hair is due to DHT. DHT binds to androgen with increased potency. Effects of DHT, dihydrotestosterone. Let's see. Development of internal genitalia requires testosterone. This testosterone requires development of internal genitalia, and in presence of 5-alpha reductase, DHT responsible for external genitalia. External genitalia development is by DHT. Secondary sexual characteristics at puberty. Male pattern bleeding is DHT is a key androgen. So male pattern bleeding is DHT. And responsible for prostate growth. DHT responsible for prostate growth. That's why in BPH we like to give dihydrotestosterone blocker drugs like enzyme 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, for example dutasteride. Okay, and it starts working after 3 months. Now Sertoli cells receptors for FSH and testosterone stimulate FSH supported by testosterone in paracrine fashion, need FSH and LH for normal spermatogenesis from blood testis barrier. Secrete inhibin B, secrete androgen binding protein, maintain local testosterone level, produce Mullerian inhibiting hormone during male development. Let's discuss from hypothalamus GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone release, and it acts on anterior pituitary, and then anterior pituitary release LH. In testes, it converts Leydig, it acts on Leydig cells and form testosterone, whereas FSH in testes act on Sertoli cells and releases inhibin. And sometimes how they manage, there is inhibitory reflux. Okay, I'm going to explain this in another part. Now question, testosterone secreted by, I hope everybody knows testosterone secreted by Leydig cells through LH. It acts through LH. Okay, and Sertoli cell secretes what? Inhibin. It acts through FSH. Okay, now mechanism of action of 5-alpha reductase, breakage of C4-C5 double bond. We already discussed. So guys, if you like my videos regarding this physiology of testosterone, put like on it. And if somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe my channel for such videos and new updates. Thank you guys. Good day, goodbye. That's all for today.